Fell in love with Lane. This bitch wanna ring. Damn. She can't get a thing. 500 on my chains, a band for my jeans. Baby, these ain't trues, yeah. Acting like my main. Baby, we just boo.
Got the curls out here. Look at these bad boys dancing. I look. I'm finna show you how to get this right here. This is my final result. All these little curls, whatever y'all wanna call them, finger curls. So look, just wait on it. My hair was pretty bad, so I'm gonna come up though. I'm gonna come up. It's all over one night. I just woke up in the morning, just took my thing off, and we back in the game. Watching this video, press that like button, that subscribe button. Alright, finna get straight into it. Alright, look, so first thing you need is one of these. Next thing you need, comb. Some of these. Some shampoo and conditioner. I got 2 shampoos. One is for dandruff. It's made with aloe and honey. Some moisturizer, curl, cream, activator, Cantu. You probably find this at like Walmart. I got some leave-in conditioner by Cantu. This guy did not work. It only worked good when I do my twist that I'm gonna show you how to do today. If you got dry scalp, you might want to get you some coconut oil or something at your. Alright, look. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to get your hair wet. Alright, so put some of this in your head. What you want to do is you want to put like this much in your head, a quarter amount. Rub in your hands, rub it all in your head when it's wet, and then like you done got everything off your scalp. Hair feel clean. You're gonna wash it out. Alright, now once your hair already wet and you already got you wanna wash this out. Wash the old dandruff shampoo out. Just to make sure your hair super clean. So you're gonna wash this out, and then we finna put some of this in. Alright, look, now that you got this right here, you wanna just massage your scalp real good. And leave it for like 2 minutes. You're gonna wash it back out. Alright, look, so I want to shampoo your hair twice. The second time is when all the fuzz, when all the soap and stuff come. So finish shampoo with some. I get the party lit outside. I just let it sit like about 5 minutes. Just keep massaging your scalp. My scalp clean now. You need a haircut. Alright, so now what you want to do is my conditioner. Get your conditioner. You don't need that much. I'm gonna show you how much I use all of this. I use this much. All the way through. Alright, so this one you wanna take your comb out. This. And you wanna start at the tips and go to the top, the roots. That's it. So if you don't wash your hair, don't comb your hair. Only comb your hair when you do this right here, cause you gonna be combing your curls out. So next up, what you wanna do is, so if I want an afro, I'm just gonna wash this out, put some of this in, air dry, and then once it air dry, you shake that bit like. But if you wanna get your like curls back right, cause your curls dead, or your hair dead, cause you don't take care of it, what you wanna do is, it all starts with this first wash. This right here, that first wash is gonna kick it. But I suggest you do like some finger coils first, cause that's gonna like get your hair like trained to get curly again. So first thing you wanna do is wash the conditioner out, and that's when this come in. Put some of this in your hair. Alright, look. Now what you gonna do is get you some of this. Put some in your hand. You don't even need that much. Put it on the scalp, in the middle, the back, sides. Make sure you your scalp, rub it in. On a normal day, I'll be done right now. I just put on I just walk around like this little air dry. Now it's time for these bad boys. What you're gonna do is, you're gonna put your hair in 4 sections. Like a part. Make you a little, put this in a little ponytail. Ain't gotta be perfect. Woo-de-woo. How we back at it? I look so. Get you a chair like this. Remember this right here? Yeah. Open that bad boy up. I don't got that much, so we're gonna have to be like gentle on this. Yeah. We're gonna be a little gentle on this. Oh. Rub under it. Rub on top. Rub them curls in. Get you I like mine a little bit bigger than that, so I use more hair. Individual curl. And just twist it from the root. From the root right here, twist it up. You're gonna see it start to get tighter, like towards the root. Just keep twisting it all the way down. Getting kind of long now. You can already see it starting to come together a little bit. Like twist it like this. Alright, so just finished one spot. Alright, so once you twist them up, they straight. They just gonna continue to straighten as the air. Cause they like a little damp and wet, so they're gonna continue to shrink whatever. The back always the worst cause you can't see it. That's how much you can do. Get this right here, leave in condition. A little nick on your finger. Start the root, twist. When I say twist to the root, I'm talking about twist this till it get tight on the root. So it's getting tight on the root, just keep twisting. Once you get tight on the root, So start getting like dumb tight. So you just wrap it around this one finger like 5 times. Let it hang. Just like that. Alright, we're gonna do all this right here. This whole side. What you wanna do is this right here. Hey man, just woke up. I did this. Finna wash my face off right quick. Alright, so I know y'all came to see my final result. I haven't even took off yet.